On today's menu is paprika stew or paprika sauce, and these are the things that we are going to be using to make this delicious sauce. We are going to be using chicken wings. I love chicken wings so much. So the first thing we are going to be needing is this red bell pepper, very fresh. I blended it and then I boiled it. I blended it with onion, pepper, some herbs, and ginger and the garlic, and I just boil them dry. And this is the chicken wing stock that I got after boiling it. Then extra virgin oil, olive oil, some spices. You can make use of what you have inside your kitchen, and of course some salt and red onion, and of course our chicken wings. If you love the chicken wings, come, let's go prepare this meal. So of course, you need the pot, your fry pan, whatever it is that you want to heat that up a little, and add small amount of olive oil. Please, once it heat up, just drop everything. Like, add your onion. Do not allow it to burn. Okay, just heat it up a little bit. Add onion, and then you add your boiled paprika or red bell pepper into it, and then you allow to cook and add your spices. Guys, remember that this paprika is fresh and it has been cooked, so there's no need to fry until it turns black. You have lost all the nutrients. Okay, so don't use a lot of oil, and this is just small salt because the chicken stock is still coming in, and the spices, they all have all salt. So I added my meat stock into the paprika or red bell pepper, and then I stir. Make sure you stir it from time to time and lower the heat. And at the end, I am adding my chicken wings. If you don't like chicken wings, I don't know what you like in the chicken, because for me, this is the best part of chicken, the wings, like, honestly. So you're going to stir that. This stew or sauce can be used to eat anything. Cover that and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. Please reduce the heat because, first of all, you don't have a lot of oil here. So this is cooking, is not frying. So you really have to please reduce the heat on the stove. Then you cover that up again, and from time to time you are going to stir it. And guys, as soon as you see that the oil has started coming up, you can see the amount of oil that we have there, and most of the oil is from the chicken, and you don't need more. Honestly, if you are cooking like that, it is very, very healthy. So it is ready, and I'm serving with rice, and this is our sauce with only chicken wings. And then I made some, of course, salad. Every carbohydrate that you eat, please make sure you add salad or vegetable to make it, so that you don't just eat only starch and starch. So this is what we are going to be having for dinner tonight, and I hope my husband loves it. If he doesn't love it, I'll come back and tell you guys. Okay, and if you are wondering what that yellow thing around the rice is, this is sweet potatoes, and I have a video on how I prepared it. This is the sweet potato. I made it differently, and I'm going to show you in my next video how I made all that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you love this video. If you love the video, share with others. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Happy New Year, and bye.